I'm Andy Armstrong, 3M application engineer, authorized trainer, and your go-to for all things 3M wrap film.
In this video, we're going to show you the proper application tools to use with 3M Wrap Film Series 2080. First, let's compare heating the film with a heat gun versus a torch. Notice how the torch deglosses the film and mars the surface. Using a torch not only changes the look of the surface, but also makes it harder for the squeegee to slide over because it increases the friction. One of the reasons to use a heat gun over a torch is that it can heal scratches. After gently warming the film with a heat gun, the scratches disappear, leaving a much better finish. A squeegee is very important for anyone installing a car wrap. It helps stick the film to the car by applying even pressure. Using the right technique is key to making sure the film sticks well and doesn't get air bubbles or wrinkles. Check out some of the 3M Wrap Film Series 2080 installation videos to see the right way to use a squeegee. Make sure your squeegee is in good shape for the best results. It's best to use a squeegee with a felt-covered blade to avoid scratching or damaging the film. A wrap glove is another awesome tool to have in your kit for installing 3M Wrap Film Series 2080. It's coated to cut down on friction and lets your hand glide smoothly over the film. When you're working the film into deep recesses or channels, a wrap glove is super important to make sure the film sticks well and does not trap air. It's important to revisit these areas with a squeegee as well as post-heating with a heat gun to ensure the adhesive bonds properly. We suggest using 3M knifeless tape whenever you need to cut 3M Wrap Film Series 2080 directly on the vehicle. Sometimes you'll also need a fixed blade, like when trimming the film off the vehicle.